This is Hello World tutorial number 8. Within this tutorial, we will be retrieving the business object collections within the list movies, and we're going to be showing you how to use the where usage and the order by usage for the retrieve of the collection. Let's start by going into the test file. I'm going to create a new commit set called Hello World 8. It'll allow us to edit the file. At which point in time, let's go to the list movies default. As you can see, nothing is already added here. We're going to add some code. I'm going to use the pound because this is in HTML mode. Movie collection is the class name for BO collection, and then I'm going to get the movie collection, and that's how I get it. Now I can use the where to search is active equals true, order by, name ascending, collection retrieve. That'll retrieve the collection. And let's add it afterwards. Now you notice there's some code. Now I'm going to add the grid. Tag. The grid tag will allow you to show things in a grid. It has a data source property, and in this case the data source will be the collection, and it will have some columns, which then we can define by each column name. In this case is the name, and each of the columns can then have data, and in this case we're going to define the data, and it's going to output the row name, and we're going to encode it. That's HTML encoding. And what we've used this pound equals, that means I'll output it, and within the column, or I'm sorry, within the grid template tag, you can access the row variable. I'm going to add it after the code, and now you notice that it's outputted because the data is a sub-element type HTML. Now let's go ahead and enter the other column, in this case description, data, and then we will also output row description, and then we're going to encode it, and then year. And rather than within last, and then we'll add it. Now here you go. You have the grid component, it's ready. We need to import a reference to the grid component. So in this situation, we're going to simply copy and paste after, and then I'm just going to simply modify the attributes. Edit this, and the grid is available in Web 2, Grid, Save. You'll notice once I do that, then I can access the grid help. I was not able to access the help before, but here's all the rest of the help for the grid component. I won't get into all that right now. Save the changes and update the view. Okay, there looks to be a slight error. The error is in the data. It's the wrong name. We have to change it to content. Now let's go to data, rename, content, save the changes, and then rebuild. Okay, and now you see the list of movies. You can add a movie, and let's add Batman 1995 and make it active, and there you go. And as we said, it was ordered by name, and you see it ordered by name as well. This concludes Hello World tutorial 8.